This is $11,268 of stuff. Head airbag in the Crew Max 1500. This is not a fair comparison at all. Bumper. Wow, this place did some good work. I missed all that. What? Oh wait, what is this? This is a safe. Now I really want one of these. You get a safe right here for your you-know-what. In case you carry. Yep, there you go. That's exact. Oh. Ooh. What is that in a little baggie? Looks like makeup. Okay. I love that. That's really cool. I don't see any damage though. This looks good. This looks good. The fender. They really did a good job on this. I don't see any overspray. Well, there's a little thing right there. Nothing major. This is out just a little bit. Your body line is true here. Holy. Okay, so she was in a good size accident and they fixed her. Absolutely, she runs good. But we do have the BSM light RCTA. That's good stuff. Okay. But it's just, that's as quiet as can be. What a story this truck could tell. $11,500 of damage and it doesn't look like it at all. Nice job. Really nice job. That's why you have to run those Carfaxes. Because you never know, but that engine, rock solid. Rock solid. Well, they should have cleaned the inside when they were repairing the outside, because this is not a great place to be. It is dirty, 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 dirty and gross, but the car, or the truck rather, is super, super nice. Just needs a really good detail.